In this video, we will show you how to clean the cooling liquid system of your E4. For this task, have the following items ready. A collective container for the cooling liquid, if possible, including a filter for machining residues. A cloth, a cleaning brush. A pack of VHF Tech powder and optionally a spare filter for the cooling liquid tank. You will find this maintenance task listed as Cleaning the Cooling Liquid System in the Maintenance section of Dental CNC. Select Cleaning the Cooling Liquid System. Open the working chamber door. Remove any blank, holder and the tool magazine from the working chamber. Pull the cooling liquid tank out of the machine. Remove the strainer basket and both filters and clean them under running water. Empty the cooling liquid into the collective container. A filter in the collective container may make disposal easier. Dispose of machining residues and cooling liquid is described in the chapter on disposal in the operating instructions. Clean the cooling liquid tank. Fill 1 liter or 1.1 quarts of drinking water into the cooling liquid tank. Caution: pay attention to the label on the packaging of the Tech powder and wear personal protective equipment. Add 25 grams or half a pack of Tech powder to the water. Stir the water until the powder is completely dissolved. Perform a weekly cleaning of the working chamber using the water mixed with Tech powder in the cooling liquid tank. We provide a video on this topic. After cleaning, insert the filters and strainer basket into the cooling liquid tank. Insert the tank into the machine. Go to the next step of the on-screen guide. Confirm this message. The cleaning process starts. The remaining time is displayed in the info area of Dental CNC's main application window. Wait until the process is finished. Empty the cooling liquid tank and fill it with drinking water to the max mark. Insert the tank into the machine. Go to the next step of the on-screen guide. The rinsing process starts. Wait until the process is finished. Go to the next step of the on-screen guide. Then open the working chamber door. Dry the working chamber with a cloth. Empty the cooling liquid tank. Thoroughly clean the cooling liquid tank and fill in cooling liquid for processing. We provide a video on this topic. Insert the cooling liquid tank into the machine and the tool magazine into the working chamber. Once you have finished cleaning the cooling liquid system, mark the corresponding task as complete in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. Cleaning the cooling liquid system. This will keep your list up to date. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E4. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.